Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's vlog. It's a nice windy day again today. Not quite as sunny as it was yesterday. Got a project I want to tackle this morning, and the project involves my storage containers here. I think I want to empty the contents from this container here and put it in this container and basically swap places with these two containers. So this is some of the things that I've got going on. Concerns me here is, while I'm here, let me show you this. This is, see how we're slanted right here, and I've got it braced right there. I'm concerned this is fixing to hit the deck. This is very heavy. There's tools in there, so I'm thinking I'm going to empty that box altogether, condense down, possibly, and hopefully possibly sell this one. So let me show you what's in here, what we're dealing with here. So it's always been like this ever since I got it. I got it used. Hard to do this one-handed. Let's set this up here. So this is what all's in here. It is full. I don't know if those two boxes will fit in there or not, but we're gonna try. I gotta do something. I got lots of tools, lots of heaviness. This has got to change. So this is just a few odd and end camping supplies. There's room in this container right here for some stuff. So that's what we're dealing with, basically. So what I need to do is really empty this into here, and then move that out of the way. Move this while it's empty over to there, and start putting all this stuff in there. So that's the game plan anyway. Stay tuned. All right, folks, it's time to go ahead and knock this out, and I can move on to something a little more exciting. I'm not very excited about this project, but it must be done. So the first thing I'm going to do is open this up and see how much room I've got in here. Let's see what's going on here. There we are. They're open. And we've got quite a bit of room in here, actually. So let's see what all I can put in here. There's suction cups. Alright, and next, let's see what's in here. Yeah, I think we're in business. Yeah, I got a bunch of stuff in there, but I think it can all fit in this. Is a nice sleeping bag. I think it could fit in here, not for sure. Don't really want to cram this totally full. Interesting. Not really sure exactly what to do. Thought about taking those canopies, these tarps, putting them in the RV. Don't know where though. I think my best bet is to empty this on the table over there. So I think that's what I'm fixing to do. I got a bunch of good tarps in case of an emergency. All those brand new tarps. Sound like thunder clapping. This is that travel foldable charcoal grill. Wet bags. All right. So that's emptied. All right, now let's see if I can, what I'm gonna do with this. This is empty. So let's just say, let's move it out of the way. All right. Now this needs to go up that away. That's gonna work or not, but that's where it's gonna be for right now. Now this needs to go down here. All right, got that moved. And now I need to just kind of give it a little wipe out. It's not real dirty, but not real clean either. But anyway, let me go get a disinfectant wipe and be right back. All right, I'm just going to wipe down some of the filth in here a little bit. I mean, it's a toolbox, but might as well get a couple of these things of dirt and bugs out of here. All right. Now, let's see here. All right, I got that wiped down pretty much as I'm going to get anyway. Now, let's see. Let me temporarily close this. And open this back up. Also, open this up. Folks, spring has definitely sprung around here, and I've got to get back in shape. No doubt about it. I'm not liking my current state of conditioning. All right, let's open this bad boy up and see what happens here. I don't really think there's going to be any room to put that. There might be if I move this out of the way. Oh, fuck. No, that don't fit. That would be too damn. Excuse my language. I apologize. All right. What a mess. I think probably the first thing I should do is see what kind of situation we got on these toolboxes. See if I can get so lucky to have two of them fit. Got it. Very seriously. Nope. And they ain't gonna fit this way either, are they? Nope. All right. Lots of various stuff. didn't turn out as good as I'd hoped, but it turned out anyway. I got this emptied, which is a good thing. Let's take it up and out of here. I'll just put it down right here for now. Wow. I can only figure out a way to get this in there. Hey, Paco, what you doing, boy? Hey, Paco. You been down to the water? Good boy. Good boy. You been down to the water? All right, let's see here. Now I need to open this back up and arrange this bad boy. In fact, let's go ahead and knock that out while we're at it. And this goes in there with the car wash stuff. eclectics. And rope. Campfire extinguisher. Now these things just need to go somewhere else. This goes with the pump. Okay. How about some blocks? I'm thinking travel grill can go up under here. If that works, that'll be a miracle. think it might actually work. Shocking. Shocking. Table's crooked. It don't want to lay straight, but it'll close. That's interesting. That's a wonder it hadn't already fallen. All right, got that done. Now I need to spray it off. I'll tell you what I'm going to do also is go ahead and see if I can lock it back. That's locked right there. It's right opposite of what you'd think. All right, cool. Got that done. It's warming up at least finally. Now I need to make room to put that toolbox in here so I can find a proper space for it. I got everything else put away except for this. Well, the sun's trying to stay behind a bunch of clouds today, which is not good. But at least I'm getting some stuff done. I've been wanting to get rid of that for a while. That means I can yeah, I like that. I like the idea of that being gone. And some money for it would be nice. Yeah, that's good. All right, so I got that. Those two things are sitting right there for now, which I'm going to adjust those later, but cleared that off. Got the jet bag sitting right here. I'm going to take it around by the water hose and clean it up here in a little bit, but yeah, need to get rid of that one. Okay, off to the next project. All right, folks, I'm going to take this around and just spray it off with a water hose and get it wet. Let it, see if I can clean it up just a tad. I grab it right quick and a screwdriver to open it with. I just wanted to basically clean it up a little bit. Been sitting there for a while. It's a little dirty. Looking for the water hose nozzle, but I found it. grab my key right quick. All right. So there it is. Now I'm gonna let it dry off a little bit and take some pictures of it and put that baby up for sale. I was looking the other day, I had them online and they're just going for ridiculous prices. So I'm gonna put mine out there for cheap, sell it quick. So there we go. Wow, what a beautiful day. Absolutely awesome. All right. Get ready to ride. Still pretty cool out here. Windy today, even more windy than yesterday. Awesome. All right, let's crank this bad boy up. ready to ride. All right, folks, the sun's going down rapidly. I got a lot done today, though. Excuse me. Look at all the dirt on that table. Those trees are beautiful, but boy, they cause some debris. But I believe it's worth it. Doing great. Headlights still working good. Everything's rolling good with the ATV. It's right there at its normal, at the bottom of the reservoir itself. Excuse me. That's what where it likes to stay. I had it filled up to about right there. Now it's back down to right there. But I put it up on the ramps. Oh, I wanted to show you the fire pit. I uncovered it to let it air out a little bit. Might crank it up here later. But anyway, RV Base Camp is rolling good today. Sunshine has breathed a little bit of life back in me. I'm glad to see that. It was good, for sure.